Hello everyone, today we are starting the second chapter of the civics of class 6, which is the Constitution of India. So the first question, name the following. So here the body responsible for making laws. So answer here will be legislature. Then the second, permanent chairman of the Constituent Assembly. So this answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Then the third, architect of the Indian Constitution. So the answer here is Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Then the question number 2, complete the following table. So here is committee head and name of the committee. So here the name of the committee is given, which is Constituent Assembly Rules Committee, Steering Committee. So here answer will be Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So committee head is Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. So the name of the committee is Drafting Committee. Then name of the committee is Union Powers Committee. So the committee head is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So here is fundamental rights. And minorities committee. Then the question number 3, explain the concept. So the first is constitution. So answer is the constitution is a set of fundamental laws, rules and provisions made for the governance of a country. It is the supreme law of the land. It protects the right of citizens and keeps democracy alive in the country. Then the second, drafting committee. So the answer is the drafting committee was the most important committee of the Constituent Assembly. Then it was formed on 29th August 1947. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was its chairman. This committee prepared the final draft of the Indian Constitution by studying reports of other committees. The Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949. Write your opinion on why every country needs a constitution. So the answer is every country needs a constitution because it provides a framework of rules for governing the country. It limits the powers of the government so that it cannot misuse power. It protects the fundamental rights of citizens. It divides power among legislature, executive and judiciary. It protects the interest of minorities. It shows the national goals and values like justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Without a constitution, a country cannot function smoothly and democracy cannot survive. Then the question number 5, what would you do? So the situation here is generally a distinction is made between task meant for boys and task meant for girls. So your action to explain the constitutional value of equality. So the answer is I will tell my friends and family that the Constitution of India gives equal rights to both boys and girls. I will not accept any work only because I am a boy or a girl. I will encourage girls and boys to do all kinds of work equally, like studying, cleaning, cooking, sports, etc. I will respect everyone equally and treat them the same way. I will explain the equality is one of the main value of our constitution. So Here is our lesson ended. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.